So I just got my passport done, and that peanut butter just fell out of the tree. I'll take the long way. Yep. I'm good. Looking a little crusty. Oh, this car's too quiet. Oh, it's such a great day today. It's Friday. The birds are chirping loud as fuck. I'm sorry if my garage is hella loud, but about to go get some food, some coffee. Even though Jack and Mo's coffee is kind of mid, but it's not that bad, to be honest. My dad has forgot all my cleaning supplies, so now I gotta go get them. Yes, sir. And we're here. I also have my Jack in the Box. So there's like 4 different stalls. I didn't get change. I only have a 10, so I'm getting $10 in quarters. But it's all good. Hopefully they can finish up so that I can start washing my car. Is that it? No shot. Is it really? Let me check. Oh. Is that really $10? Holy fuck, alright. Okay guys, I just got done washing my car. I didn't wipe my windows because apparently I had enough time to do the little air dryer thing. This tire cleaner works like justice. This thing makes sure your tire is like yellow, then it drips off, and then it's like a brand new tire. I don't know what this is, but God's work right here. I'm not even sponsored, just take my word for it, please. Please. I'll never get over the fact that my car sneezes now. So I probably should have gotten something to drink. Now I kind of have to go home or get something to eat and then drink one of these. Also, I noticed that God damn, what happened to that car? Fuck. I noticed that I slur my words a lot, so I noticed vlogging helps me not slur. I'm trying to exaggerate on some words. I just filled up too. I need to warm up my tires as I go up. Whoa. Bro, what the fuck? It's like people don't look. It's fucking crazy.